Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Slack, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install Slack, start by opening your web browser. Type Slack download into the search bar. Click on the official Slack website link. On the website, locate the download button. Select the version compatible with your operating system. If you're using Windows, click on the Download for Windows option. For Mac, choose the Download for Mac option. The download should begin automatically. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Locate the Slack installer file. Double-click the installer file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After installation, open the Slack application. You will be prompted to sign in or create a new account. If you already have an account, enter your credentials. If you are new to Slack, click on Create a new workspace. Follow the guided steps to set up your workspace. Once your workspace is set up, invite team members to join. Familiarize yourself with the Slack interface. Explore features like channels, direct messages, and integrations. You are now ready to start using Slack for communication and collaboration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.